Welcome to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today, we'll create a faceless YouTube channel using free AI tools. Let's dive in. Choosing a niche is vital. We'll use ChatGPT to explore options, finally selecting AI innovations and tools. Ready to explore? Setting up AI Innovators Hub with ChatGPT. Watch as AI crafts the perfect name and description. Exciting times ahead. Canva's text-to-image AI helps us design a captivating banner and logo. Watch our vision come to life, pixel by pixel. Content is king. ChatGPT helps us brainstorm AI topics. From healthcare to robotics, the possibilities are endless. ChatGPT crafts our script about AI's role in medicine. Watch as words flow, creating an engaging and informative story. 11 Labs turns our script into a voiceover. Listen to the magic of AI as our story comes alive.
Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you a little story about my amazing friend RoboMed.
Canva's AI tools visualize our story. From futuristic backgrounds to animated characters, it's a visual feast. Doodly animates our AI doctor. Watch as he explains the future of healthcare, gesture by gesture. Vid subtitle generator makes our content accessible. Watch as words align, ensuring everyone can join the AI revolution. Uploading our masterpiece with ChatGPT's help. Title, tags, description, AI's got it all covered. Canva designs our click-worthy thumbnail. Colors, fonts, images, everything aligns for that irresistible click. Voila! Our Faceless YouTube channel is ready. AI made it simple, creative, and fun. What will you create?
Today I want to tell you a little story about my amazing friend, RoboMed. The patients in the room glance at RoboMed, a friendly humanoid robot with a screen for a face displaying a cheerful smile.
That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this journey, like, share, and subscribe to AI Tools, your survival kit. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.